Well, yeah.
Okay, we're at the quarry now, and lo and behold, Danish summer weather strikes again. So let's see how that goes. Last time we were here, everything was super dusty. So this is gonna be muddy instead. Sorry, did I say rain? I meant burning sunshine, because weather be roller coasting. So one of the really cool things at this limestone quarry is the crazy blue water. I promise, this is not even a filter. This is not color grading. This is the actual color. It's crazy. It's so pretty.
The old limestone quarry, Faxe Kalkbrud, is amazing for post-apocalyptic shoots. So we took the drone and took some awesome drone selfies. By the way, for this shoot we were joined by Nazgul. Check her out on Instagram. The water has a surreal color. It's so blue, like you would expect from a vacation in Greece or somewhere in the Mediterranean Sea. Funnily enough, the different bodies of water from the different pits have different hues of blue. If you're into large-scale industrial equipment, the quarry will have some pretty cool machines for you to look at. You might have to walk a bit to get to them though.